Our top tier trading program has everything you need to become a successful trader. We're going to personalize your training experience with our strategy fit matrix. We're going to match the ideal trading strategy, style, tool sets to align with your personality profile. And not only that, you're going to get access to professional coaching to guide you through that learning process. You're going to get access to all of our trade execution tools, and most importantly, our institutional grade trading software, Primetime Pro. And when you feel confident with your trading, that's when you can undertake our trader evaluation. You will have the opportunity to become a funded trader with Traders for Traders and join our elite trading team. Now, this is the most complete training and funding program online. It includes everything you need. And let me just give you a run through of how this is going to work. Now, as soon as you sign up to the top tier trading program, we're going to put you through our strategy fit matrix. This is going to enable us to match your personality profile with an ideal trading strategy, style, and tool set for the optimal alignment and performance. And you're going to get immediate access to our digital toolkit. Now, this contains all the courses and all the trading resources you're going to need to become a successful trader. And then from here, we're going to plug you into our live trading ecosystem. That includes the live trade hub, the live trade signals, access to our exclusive trading community, and of course, our trading coaches. Then from here, it's just a matter of getting you up and running and trading as soon as possible. This is the best way for our team to expedite your learning process. Now, by actually trading, our team will be able to immediately correct any mistakes you may have with your analysis, whether it's technical or fundamental, or whether it's a trade execution issue. The constant feedback, live Q&As, and interaction with our trading community is why this program is so successful. And this is exactly how the training programs were structured inside the banks. You get all the knowledge and resources straight away, and you're constantly working through those as you work with your trading coach and you start trading. And that's exactly what we're going to do with you. And when you're feeling confident with your trading, that's the time to undertake our trader evaluation. We're looking to cherry pick the best traders out of our program to join our proprietary trading team. So if you're ready to be immersed in a complete trading program where you're actively involved with the trading coaches and a trading community, then this is the program for you. Click the Join Now button and sign up today. If you have any questions, just book a 15-minute meeting and I or one of our team will be happy to answer all of your questions. Now, the markets aren't waiting and neither should you. If you're ready to take the next step towards financial freedom, well, sign up today and we look forward to working with you. Good luck and happy trading.